A slow computer can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you need to get things done efficiently. But the good news is that with a few simple steps, you can significantly boost your computer's performance. In this video, we'll cover 3 practical ways to speed up your computer and keep it running smoothly. In today's fast-paced environment, having a well-functioning computer is essential. However, over time, even the best computers can slow down due to accumulated files, outdated software, or insufficient resources. By taking a few proactive steps, you can improve performance and avoid some of the common issues that lead to lagging. Here are 3 essential tips to keep your computer running faster. Number 1. Manage startup programs. Many applications automatically start when your computer boots up, using up valuable memory and slowing down your system. To control this, go to your Task Manager on Windows or System Preferences on Mac and disable any unnecessary programs from starting at boot. This small adjustment can drastically reduce your startup time and free up resources. Number 2. Upgrade your RAM. If your computer struggles with multitasking or slows down when running multiple programs, adding more RAM can make a significant difference. Check your computer's specifications to see if you can add more memory and consult with a professional if needed. Upgrading RAM is a relatively affordable way to give your computer a new lease on life. Number 3. Run regular virus scans. Malware and viruses can severely impact your computer's performance by using up resources or running malicious tasks in the background. Make sure to install reliable antivirus software and perform regular scans to detect and remove any threats. This keeps your computer secure and ensures optimal speed. Each of these steps can make a noticeable difference in how fast your computer runs. By managing startup programs, upgrading RAM, and running regular virus scans, you can keep your system running efficiently. If you'd like more guidance on speeding up your computer, give our team a call. We're happy to help.